Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we want to find the value of x given that you have. So guys, given that you have x cube minus x squared equals 100. So guys, now let's have it to be solution. So we have x raised to power 3 minus x squared to be equals 100. So therefore guys, from here, we believe when we take this one to this side, we're going to have it to be x raised to power 3 minus x squared minus 100. Then we have everything to be equals 0. Now guys, we have to recall that from this we can have something reasonable here as s cube when we have minus 5x squared minus or plus 4x squared. We believe that this will be equals minus x squared. So by applying this expression here, then we are going to have this to be minus 5x squared plus 4x squared minus 100. Then we have everything to be equals 0. So from here now, we can do something reasonable. Let's take this together. Then we have x raised to power 3 minus 5x squared. Then we have plus, we have 4x squared minus 100. Then we have everything to be equals 0. So now guys, from here, we have x in common. So we can factor x squared out. Then we're going to have this to be x squared. Then this one will now be x minus 5 plus. Likewise, we have 4 in common here. We can factor it out to be 4. Then into x squared. 100 divided by 4, we have it to be 25. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So now guys, from here, you have to recall from the difference of 2 squared that when you have a squared minus b squared, this equals a plus b all in bracket multiplied by a minus b all in bracket. So let us apply this expression for this, because we believe that we're going to have it here from x squared into x minus 5 plus 4 into x squared. 5 squared, 25 can be represented in what? 5 raised to power 2. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So now we are going to apply our a equals x, then our b equals 5. So we are going to have here to be x squared into x minus 5 plus 4 into x plus 5. From here, x plus 5, since our b is 5 and our a is x, and from here we have to be x minus 5. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So from here we have x minus 5 to be common, so we can factor it out to be x minus 5 then into x squared plus 4. This divided by this, we have it to be x squared plus the whole of this divided by this, we are going to have it to be 4 into x plus 5. Then we have it to be equal 0. Now from here we have x minus 5. This one will be x squared. This multiplied by this, we have it to be 4 times 5, we have it to be 20 plus 4x, then equals 0. Now from here is either we have x minus 5 equals 0, or we have x squared plus 4x plus 20 to be equals 0. So now from here we have our x to be equals 5. And we can assume this to be x1. Now from here we have this to be equals x squared plus 4x plus 20 to be equal 0. Now guys, from here, let us use completing the square method. When you have x squared plus 4x minus 4 plus 4, this minus 4 plus 4 will have a will be 0. Once we cancel this, then let's add our 20 back, then we have everything to be equal 0. So now from here we can have this as, by taking this like this, x squared, then we have plus 4x, then let's take together with this plus 4, then we are going to have minus 4 plus 20 to be equal 0. Now, so therefore from here we can have this equivalent to, when you have x plus 2 all squared, when you open the bracket back, we are going to have x squared plus 4x plus 4. I open this one, then this one will be minus 4 plus 20, we have it to be plus 16, everything equals 0. So now guys, if you want to check for this, when you have x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 2, I mean this one, x times s will be x squared, s times 2 will be 2x, 2 times x will be 2x, 2 times 2 will be 4. From here we have it to be x squared, this will be 4x, then you have your 4. So you're going to have this back equals this. Now guys, we have x plus 2, and so therefore from here we can have, by taking the square root of both sides, this will take away this, then we need to introduce positive or negative because of x squared, then we have x plus 2 to be equals positive or negative square root of, you can rearrange this as 16 multiplied by square root of minus 1. And square root of minus 1 always equals I in a complex space. Then we have x plus 2 to be equals, now square root of 16 is what? 4. We have positive or negative 4 multiplied by I. Then from here, by taking this one to this side, we are going to have our x to be equals minus 2 positive or negative 4i. So we can declare it, therefore our x2 will now be minus 2 plus 4i, then our x3 will now be minus 2 minus 4i from here. So that's the value for x2, x3. We know that we've got the value for x1. So now to check, so now we want to check when we have x raised to power 3 minus x squared equals 100. Let's check for the first one. When x equals 5, then we have to be 5 raised to power 3 minus 5 squared. Then are they going to give us 100? So obviously this 5 raised to power 3 is 125 minus this 5 square is 25. Then are they going to give us 100? Now from here, 125 minus 5 is 100, which equivalent to 100. So this is true for the value of x equals 5. But let us consider the real solution. So therefore, our x equals 5. So if you are new here, once again, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. And here are the steps. So we can declare that the value of x equals 5.